sharing this unlucky moment during my night spear fishing adventure, guys. I saw mullet fish yata to, or balanak or banak kung tawagin sa iba. Malaki sana, and I took a shot on it. Tinamaan ko sana, guys. Ayan, but then nakawala. Malas naman. Sayang, di ko nakita kung saan pumunta, guys. Ay, hindi para sa atin. Ulam na naging bato pa, guys. Sarap umiyak, guys.